Wild boars are among the most adaptable and intelligent species in the wild. Observing their behavior in natural habitat reveals a mix of cunning, curiosity, and survival instincts that make them both fascinating and formidable. These animals are nocturnal by nature, moving under the cover of darkness to avoid predators and human activity. Their social structure is complex. Sows lead groups called sounders, which can include several females and their offspring. Boars exhibit territoriality, with dominant males often roaming alone, marking their range with scent and physical signs. Their keen sense of smell allows them to detect food or threats from a great distance, making hunting them a serious challenge that tests both skill and patience. Population dynamics add another layer of complexity. A single wild boar sow can produce multiple litters annually, with 6 to 12 piglets in each. Under favorable conditions, populations can double in a year, leading to rapid expansion into new areas. In many regions, this uncontrolled growth has created one of the most pressing wildlife challenges. Boars move into farmlands, urban edges, and forested areas, leaving a trail of ecological and economic disruption. Their adaptability, intelligence, and breeding capacity ensure that even extensive hunting efforts often struggle to keep numbers under control. Hunting wild boars has become an essential tool for managing their populations. Skilled hunters, using both traditional and modern techniques, work to reduce herd sizes while maintaining ecological balance. Ethical hunting requires understanding boar behavior, tracking their movements, predicting their feeding patterns, and exercising precision in the field. In many countries, hunting licenses and quotas are regulated to prevent overexploitation while controlling numbers. Yet, the challenge remains, as boars are fast, aggressive, and capable of escaping even in heavily hunted regions. The threat posed by wild boars extends far beyond individual farmers. Governments face enormous financial burdens due to crop destruction, infrastructure damage, and disease control. In regions like Europe, North America, and parts of Asia, annual economic losses from wild boars run into hundreds of millions of dollars. Crops such as corn, wheat, soy, and peanuts are prime targets. But boars also damage irrigation systems, fences, and natural habitats. Beyond agriculture, wild boars are vectors for diseases like African swine fever, which can devastate commercial pig populations, prompting emergency measures and costly interventions by government agencies. Wildlife management authorities employ a combination of strategies to mitigate these threats. Controlled hunts, fencing, habitat management, and population monitoring are all tools in the ongoing battle against boar overpopulation. Some regions have even implemented advanced measures like night vision hunting and aerial culling to protect both agriculture and natural ecosystems. The goal is not eradication, but balance, reducing the negative impact of boars while maintaining their role as a valued species within ecosystems and hunting traditions. In conclusion, the story of wild boars is one of intelligence, resilience, and conflict. Their behavior and rapid population growth present serious challenges, demanding coordinated efforts from hunters, farmers, and government authorities alike. Wild boar hunting is not just a sport. It is a critical component of wildlife management, protecting livelihoods, preserving ecosystems, and controlling one of the most dynamic and adaptable species on Earth.